Hey guys, Lita here. I wanted to come on this video today because I wanted to show you guys my hair. So, I don't know if you can tell, but this side is nice and sleek and smooth. And this right here is my natural hair. This is my natural texture. It's very curly, wavy, and if I brush it wrong, this happens. So I wanted to show you guys how to properly use a flat iron. A lot of people don't actually use it properly. I'm gonna show you the right way. I'm gonna show you the wrong way that I see a lot of people do, okay? So let's start off with the wrong way. The wrong way is that you're going to not section your hair. You're just gonna grab a bunch of hair and you're just gonna go whomp, and it's never going to be perfectly straight like this side is, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. First step, you're gonna start, I like to start in the back, okay? I like to start in the back and I like to take small sections and make my way to the top. Clipping it out of the way. I'm going to take my hydrating mist. You can use a heat protectant, because you definitely want something on there before you put your iron on. I love this iron because it heats up in 30 seconds. So sometimes if I forget to turn it on, it's magical because it heats up like that, okay? You're gonna take your comb. Doesn't matter where you get your comb from, okay? You're gonna comb out your hair, and then you're gonna take your flat iron and you're going to chase the comb. And you see that smoke? That is product. Don't worry, you are not frying your hair. Not to say that can't happen, but right, what you just saw, that was product, okay? I typically only go over the strands maybe twice. So I've got that all straightened, taken care of, and now I'm gonna go for my next section. And to be honest, I would do even smaller sections. So get as tiny section as you can. There's less room for error, but the main thing is going to be taking your brush and chasing your brush or your comb with your flat iron. I was gonna say another tip and I can't remember what that just was. But the main thing is small sections and go over maybe once, maybe twice. This iron gets pretty hot, so I really don't need to go over my hair. You guys can see how straight that is. You guys saw what my hair looked like, right? A hot mess. So, small sections, always. I'm gonna kind of go through this a little bit quicker, but just so you guys can see, again. Make sure you comb it out. My hair is a little naughty. But my biggest tip, I mean, I've been doing hair 17 years and I feel like I still constantly see people just pick up a bunch of hair and they don't use this. And then they wonder, you know, why isn't their hair straight? And that's why. Also your iron, you know, you gotta make sure you got a good quality iron. Put away the Conair, y'all, okay? Put away the Conair. I'm gonna show a link for this awesome flat iron in the post. And they're actually having a sale right now. So definitely check that out. But I've been really impressed, honestly. So again, small sections. And I'll tell you, it's a little bit harder when I'm looking into this camera to do it. And, oh, I know what I was gonna say earlier. Okay, try this with no heat first, okay? I know it sounds silly, but I want you to get the hand gestures before you turn on the iron, because what we don't want to happen is you leave that on too long, your hair, because you didn't have the right, you know, gestures in your hand, the right hand movements. So try this off or try it on a very low heat. And then once you get good, you can be like me and you can just like do it even without a camera, without a mirror, without anything. You'll know the motion. And it's like riding a bike, okay? Once you do it this way, you will never go back to the old way. I can promise you that, okay? All right, y'all. I hope this has been helpful. Comment below if you have any other questions. And you know what I forgot to do? So I already did spray this all over my hair, just a heads up, because I knew I would forget to spray it on each section. So don't forget, you got to spray the hydrating mist. I'll spray it on there again for y'all. But the biggest takeaway, chase the comb with the flat iron. All right, I hope to see you guys in the salon soon. We are hopefully getting a date, so we are excited about that. I miss y'all, I love y'all. If you guys need any other hair tips, please let me know. Also, I'll be doing a video soon of how to do ribbon curls with this thing. So this, you can do ribbon curls and they come up so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you how to do that on our next video, okay? All right, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.